What up everyone, this is Sponge Matt B, and I got the Uncharted 4 PlayStation. It's fucking sweet. Now next shot we're gonna be unboxing it. Alright, I got my trusty carving pumpkin knife here, and we're just gonna unbox this. Yeah, I'm the biggest fail at unboxings. Please stop making fun of me, alright?
Bush did 9/11.
Really, Kevin? Why did I say your name? That's gay.
Well, it is my name.
It's my name too. Alright. Yo, do me a favor, grab the box.
I got you.
Grab the box, pull it down.
Oop.
Wow, an elbow in the face.
Oh, alright. I'll put the box over here.
Yeah, sweet.
When I got mine, it didn't come. It came. I got the Last of Us edition. It didn't have the picture on it. It just came with the black PS4.
And this is all white. All white.
Shut up. Only Jack likes that.
Yeah.
I'm just being honest.
Alright, so we just have to how the fuck do you open this? There's a tab right here.
How's that?
Better?
Yep.
Keep it like that. Alright. There we go. Let's see the contents inside. Is the camera good?
Yeah, I just need to fix it. Alright, we're good.
Alright. Push this all the way to the left.
Oh, that looks sweet. Oh, you got the game too?
Oh my, this is fucking sweet. This is what's left in the box.
Gay booklet.
Yeah. Put that back on the couch back there. Alright, you got Uncharted 4.
Yeah.
Uncharted 4. Thief's End.
Oh shit, you forgot some stuff.
You get the manual. You get the PlayStation Plus shit. Pretty sweet.
Does it come with the membership?
I think it does.
Yeah.
I don't want to show them the code.
Yeah, then they'll be saying it.
Yeah, fucking assholes. Unless I upload this video after, or I got this all fucking set up. Alright, let's get this shit. Didn't want to make a big bump there, but on to the good shit. I can already see the silhouette right now. And you can see Uncharted.
Yeah. I think the controllers are in this box.
Oh, it's blue. It's blue.
Holy shit, that's nice.
This is fucking sweet.
It's like baby blue. Turn it over. Or it is over. Oh no, it isn't.
Sic Pravis Magna.
Magna. Holy fuck.
This is fucking sweet. Look at this Nathan Drake tape, bro.
Daniel.
It's fucking better than and on the box.
Anything's better on the box.
It's fucking better than it was on the box. What's gonna suck is this is gonna fade in a few years or something, and it'll never look as this good.
There's another. I think the controllers are in this box and still in here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We forgot the controllers. It doesn't matter. Table. What's his name? Got my brother Nick has 2 controllers, so we can all play.
Yeah, he is the white.
Oh fuck! Drop them fucking
crappy headset.
Crappy headset. Alright. You get the headset, you get the baby blue controller, the power cord, obviously, the universal power cord that you can easily replace, a charge cord, and an HDMI cable, which you can also easily replace.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the fucking PlayStation 4 Uncharted edition. It's fucking sweet. Alright, peace out.